Is this your first time driving any supercar?
Yeah,
no way.
Hello, oh wow, that's day 2 of the Modball Rally. Hello one and all, and welcome to Seen Through Glass, and welcome to day 2 of the Modball Rally. We are currently departing à Paris. We are leaving Paris. We had a bit of a fail with our morning photo shoot. We were supposed to be doing something beautiful in front of the Eiffel Tower. Turns out that the police weren't really happy with that idea, so we've been moved on. Rob, how are you feeling, mate? You're looking fresh as a daisy.
I feel great.
Yeah, no, you look
I look
like a newborn
great,
baby.
and I feel great.
You look great and you feel
if
great.
anyone says otherwise, then they're
incorrect. Oi, oi. Well, it's been an exhilarating morning. We've now made it to our sort of first official stop or regroup point, which is a petrol station, and a ton of cars are here. Oh my god, there's a freaking Ferrari Dino here. What the hell? I need to go get shots of that. There's a freaking Dino here, that's not part of the rally. What was I going to say? Yeah, R8 on fuel. It's been alright actually for a V10 supercar. It's not been too bad, but yeah, I want to go take pictures of that Dino.
How did you find that?
I loved it.
We were struggling to keep up with you.
Oh yeah, I know.
Is this your first time driving any supercar?
Yeah,
no way.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a pretty good one to start with.
Love it.
So that was the rally's resident DJ. She's on the rally with us, and every single night she's DJing in the clubs. She's just been driving this McLaren 720S. The owner partied a little bit too hard last night, decided he couldn't drive, so offered the DJ the keys to his McLaren. Pretty outrageous, pretty awesome to see. What an experience that must have been for her. But yes, lots of cars all parked up now. That Dino is blowing my mind. And yeah, I don't really know what to say. Fuel, snacks, onwards. This is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, we've destroyed this entire petrol station. The amount of cars that are here. Day 2, full swing. We've just got a whole load of snacks filled up with those. Right, mate. Oh, what? What?
1-0. Is that that?
I can't. Oh, voice is still not there. No, I keep trying. It's just not there. That's a Mini. That's a Mini making that noise. It's ridiculous. But yes, I can't think how many times I must have done this journey over the years. Very similar motorways to trips that I do. I'm not making a lot of sense. Help me out here. What am I trying to say?
He's trying to say he's done a lot of car journeys, and this is by far the best one because I'm sat in the car.
No,
but also
no,
because
well,
that's what you were going to say.
No,
right?
you got ahead of yourself. But essentially, I didn't think you could make a long slog on the motorway interesting or exciting. And if I'm honest, when Paul and I did it a couple of years ago, slog, not schlong, slog. Just mate, you can just sit there and be quiet, please. So yeah, when Paul and I did it a couple of years ago in a Rolls Royce Phantom, it was a little bit low key. I slept most of the way, and it just, there wasn't a lot of excitement. But in this, we are right in the mix. We are one of the biggest, most exciting convoys I think I've ever been in about 50 cars or so, and everyone's giving it some. We cruise for a bit, and then everyone cracks on, then we cruise a bit. It's just cool. You're loving, aren't you? You're loving the camaraderie.
Best time of life,
you love the slogs. You love the slogs.
I love the slong. Yeah,
slog.
Slong.
Oh mate, that's all good for you.
Wait, what are we doing?
Slog.
Slog, yes, I love a slog.
A long slog. You said schlong, and that means penis. You said you love penis.
No.
That's what you said.
You're the one.
On that note, onwards.
You now join me a few hours later here in Monaco, my second home basically. All the Modball cars, all the Modballers are staying at the Fairmont Hotel, and most of the guys and girls have headed up to a party at Nikki Beach. I myself am going to walk the street and see which other supercars I can find, because being on a rally with 100 supercars isn't enough for me. I like to find some more. So yes, a little bit of spotting to end today's video. Now here he is, the baller of Monaco in his 550 UK plate. What a lad. Just chilling. If you don't know, Monaco, the home of Ferraris, and I actually think classic Ferraris do better here than the modern stuff. So yeah, very cool. Just parked up here in front of the Hotel de Paris. Why have I suddenly had a complete mind blank on that? But anyway, yes, baller, winner. I'm putting it on the record, I think the Lexus LC500 is one of the best looking new cars out there today. I really want to have a go in one. I just think it looks amazing. Haven't seen many banging around in Europe. I saw a few over in America, so quite nice to see that blue one. Yeah, surprise find. I kind of want a 612 Scaglietti these days, a Ferrari that I always kind of loathed. I recently have found a sort of soft spot for. I don't know what's happening. For it, it's fun, I didn't even notice that. But yeah, I just saw that silver one and they're quite the bargain, I think. The last Ferrari 2+2's got a V12 in it. Sounds good, they did a handling speciale. Keep your eyes peeled, people. I'm on the lookout for a 612. Apart from being annoyingly windy, it also seems to be 918 Spider Day here in Monaco. This car was parked up outside our hotel earlier, but I've also seen the orange 918 cruising around. If I see a third, well, that's a hat trick. That's winner winner, chicken dinner. I promise I'm not completely mad filming a little Merc SUV. That is the brand new GLC 63 SUV, and I freaking love it. Same engine as the AMG GT, an SUV. Well, another outrageous full-on day on the Modball Rally, and what a perfect place to finish here in Monaco with this view. I love staying in the Fairmont. It's a bit of a quirky hotel, but it just feels so Monaco. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and make sure to subscribe for plenty more videos to come.